In this lecture, we will understand how to assign joint restraints, or in simple word, how to assign supports. We need to go to assign joint restraints. Joint assignment restraints window will open. On this window, there are 6 options. That is, we can either provide translation along X, Y, Z and rotation about X, Y or Z. Please note that the title is restraint. That is, if we are selecting translational along X, that is, translational along X is not allowed. Similarly, if we are selecting rotation about Y, that is, rotation about Y is not allowed. If we untick this option, it means that rotation about Y is allowed. So, first option we can here is fixed support. This is basically shortcut. When we left click here, automatically all the options are selected. This is a pinned. Automatically only translational are selected. That is, for pinned support, moments are 0. So rotations are allowed. Third option here is translational along Z. This is a roller connection. So similarly, there is this last option, that is no support. That is translational as well as rotational about all the axes are allowed. So user can do permutation, combination or different arrangements. That is, user can either translational along X, Y or Z allowed, rotation about any axis is not allowed, that is it gets converted into pinned connection. Similarly, only translation along X and Y is allowed, along Z is not allowed. So it all depends upon the design requirements and the building model, that in what axis we have to release. Most of the times in case of RCC buildings, we select all these options. In case of PEB buildings, in which the supports are pinned, we can only select these options. Similarly, in industrial area, for example, only translational along sometimes X or Y is allowed. Translation along Z is not allowed in some type of base plate design. So it all depends that what exactly are we doing here. So use these options wisely. After analyzing, see the reactions very carefully and check the behavior of the model. This is the option that can, if provided wrong, can completely change the behavior of the model. So how to assign the joint restraints? For example, if we want to assign a pinned support on one joint, just click on this area, select this area and click on apply. So now this is a pinned connection. Similarly, if we want to assign a roller support here on this point, just draw a drag area, click on apply. This is the symbol for a roller joint. Similarly, if we want to create a new type of support, we can just do that with the help of this option. So this is a different type of support. After that, last option, that no support. No support can be just provided like this. Click on apply. On this joint there is no support. Similarly, if we select this point and then again right click, you will see that whatever restraint we are providing is now visible here. That is, we are only providing restraint along Z, that because it was a roller connection. That is, UX, UY is not restrained, UZ is restrained, that is, translational along Z axis is not allowed. So there will be a reaction along Z axis, and rotation along X, Y and Z is not restrained. That is, rotation is allowed along all the global axes. So with this option, we can assign different type of supports to the nodes.